Well, the question tonight, self-defense or murder?
Well, tonight we're hearing from an attorney whose client is still behind bars for killing a man at a store in Leake County. Carthage police say 27-year-old Leonard Black gunned down an 18-year-old outside Discount Depot back in May. 3 on Your Side's Chris Fields speaks exclusively with the man representing Black and his call to have a bond set.
Attorney James Murphy admits that his client pulled the trigger, but he says it was all in self-defense, with all the evidence, including exclusive surveillance video detailing why Black's actions were justified. Murphy has since filed a petition to get his client a reasonable bond.
And in this case, my client, Leonard Black, had a legally owned, legally possessed firearm in his car, and because of that, he was able to protect himself from an imminent threat and quite possibly to protect other people.
Attorney James Murphy claims his client is innocent and acted in self-defense. He says May 2nd, there was an exchange between the shooting victim and his friend inside the Discount Depot. That fight then spilled over outside.
You never see my client make any aggressive moves or antagonize or otherwise cause this incident.
In exclusive surveillance video, the shooting victim could be seen pacing back and forth in front of a car Black was sitting inside at the time. Murphy alleges that Cunnison later grabbed a gun from his car and fired shots. With the legal firearm, Murphy says Black in turn fired back, killing Cunnison. When it comes to his client not receiving bail, Murphy believes this may play a part.
Perhaps there was some thought that, there's no way that my client was just sitting there minding his own business. There had to have been something else to it. So let's keep him there until we figure that out. But that's not the way our criminal justice system is set up. Our criminal justice system is set up as you leave them out until you figure out what they did wrong, not keep them in jail until you can figure out what it is they did wrong. But all of the evidence in this case points to my client's 100% innocence.
Murphy has now filed a petition asking for a judge to grant Black a reasonable bond.
So we've gotten involved and we filed a petition for habeas corpus, and we have a hearing on that next Monday in the circuit court. He was initially denied bond in city court, but now we've got that in circuit court and going forward with a hearing on that next Monday.
Now, I went inside the Carthage Police Department to get a comment about this case from the police chief, but I was told he was not available. Reporting here in Leake County, I'm Chris Fields, 3 on Your Side.